Wow. Seriously, Nigeria is finished. I'm telling you guys something. Aji, Nigeria is finished. So you mean the president of Nigeria going to Jos to go and greet the by people that happen in Rukuba Jos, you understand? And now stay in the airport that he cannot go inside the city. That the people to come and see him at the airport. And they saying that the airport don't have light. So you have to stay and talk to them for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And you are saying that the airport don't have light publicly. Man, what a shame. We are gone. Seriously. So I hope if we want to go and do vote next year, maybe everybody will go to the airport to go and vote. So now yeah, you want to see the people in the airport. So now the airport people go they go vote now. No be shame be that. No light set for airport. Kai man. Say